Alright, Micromod Dude here again with my new unboxing of my new Insta360 Go action camera. Basically, I'm a little bit behind the curve buying this because I'll be honest with you, I didn't really know about it much. I think I saw videos of it, but I didn't understand what it did or what it was for. But after looking for a FPV 4K type of camera, I decided to... I stumbled upon this bad boy, which blows the competition out of the water due to how stable it is. And here it says the 20-gram Steadicam. I think some other people said it only weighs 18 grams. Here it says 20. Okay, and let's just take a quick look at the boxing information here. All right, and let's see here. As you can see how it plugs in there to your phone. It's only 1080p though, but it's got something that's really good is the flow state stabilization right there. That is what makes it, that sets it apart from the rest, basically. So let's see what's in this bad boy here. It's made for Android and iPhone, or your iPhone, iPad, whatever you got there. All right, so let's unbox it and see what's inside the goodie here. All right, let me take this thing out of here. This is behind. I should have had this about a week ago, but somehow Best Buy lost my package. I don't know how, but they lost it. So I called them. I let them know, hey, where's my goods? And they sent me another replacement one. That'd be cool if the one that got lost shows up and I get two. I could sell it to one of you guys. All right. Anyways, let's see what's in here. Okay, how do you open this bad boy up here? How does this go? Hang on a second here while I look over the details here. I don't want to ruin the box too much here. Just down here. Okay. Huh? How does this thing open? What the freak? Okay, right here. All right. Let's see here. There it is. Okay. Now it'll open. So let's see what's in the box here. You ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. Not much excitement to look at. Just a little tiny little thingamajigger there. But let's see what's in the box over here. It gives you quick instructions on how to power it on, quick charge, blah, blah, blah. You know, quick information there, how to work it and all that. And then here's the Insta360 Go. Let's see here. Oh, shit, I already ripped it. Wow. My hands are too strong. It's really stuck in there. Wow, this thing is a tiny little thing. They weren't kidding when all the reviews said it's tiny. Wow, this thing's small. Okay, so let's take this off here. And I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. I even thought this part was going to be bigger. I mean, it's tiny. You know, look at that little thing. Wow. It's a little freaking bugger, you know? It's like, go little bugger. I mean, look at that thing, dude. It's so freaking tiny. Wow. Okay. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's got some good magnetism right there. Wow. Look at that. Boom. 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 Ooh, they put some good magnets on here. Wow. All right. See how you can use this to mount it. So, okay, so let's take this part out here because this is the main game changer for the Century right here. All right. Now, you know, as you guys saw some of my other reviews, I also got the GoPro Hero 8. But GoPro Hero 8 does not have this freaking special flow state stabilization. That's where GoPro went wrong, okay? If GoPro had that built in to their GoPro systems, man, that would be the killer. That would be the ultimate, but they don't. This company here invented it first and put it in their little engineering chips inside this to make the flow state stabilization work like a charm. Imagine if this was 4K. Ooh, this size in a 4K. Oh my God. Anyways, got it on sale, 40 bucks off. So I didn't pay the full price for it, you know, or else I probably wouldn't have bought it. I'll be honest with you guys. And is this another case here to take this off too? I don't even know how this even works. So let's look over it real quick here. As you can see, there's an on button there. As you can see, the size, it's like the size of your thumb, literally. Put your thumb out. That's how big this bad boy is, literally. It's the size of your thumb. Wow. You know, what's up, dude? Okay, so it's a tiny little bad boy. All right, so let's see what else is in the box here. I'll keep this right in there. Oh, look at that. Already started charging for me. Will you look at that, George? Okay, so let's put that there. Let's put it to the side. What's this back here for? Oh, this is the Type-C charge here. So, and then, okay, cool. So there's the micro USB cable goes there because there's software, the Insta360 Studio software you could download from their website. So you could on a PC, it doesn't have Mac, it's not Mac compatible, PC software for this to be able to be transferred over. And it's got its own 360 has its own studio software, but it also has a plugin for Adobe Pro. So if you like using Adobe Pro, then it comes with a plugin to be able to work with it from there. I'll put that right there. All right, and let's see what's over here. Okay. All right, so in the box here, we got some more little goodies over here. What's this thing say here? GoPro water resistant, what to know? Okay, so it's water resistant for a little bit, get some splashes on there. All right, and of course we got over here the stickers and all that good stuff. Okay, got the stickers there. And then let's see what's inside here. I think this is all the other mounting apparatuses and stuff like that. All right, let's take this all out here so we can see what it's in. Okay, first one we got runner up. This little bad boy here. What should we got here? Man, this is stuck in there. All right, so this is a little bit of weight. So for you that are putting this on your FPV micro super tiny whoop drones and stuff, this thing will add a couple grams. So I don't know if you want to use this or not. It's got a cool screw there. Look at that. That's cool. So you could mount it on a tripod or on your head cam or whatever you want to. That's neat. All right, that'll be useful for some other projects. I basically want to use this for my drones. And then over here, we got another. Oh, here we go. Here, this is the metallic plate here. I think this here is actually like a magnetized system here where you could or wait, is it magnet or sticky? Well, that's sticky. Okay, I thought it was magnet. Maybe it is magnet. I don't know. I have to check. I don't know if it's magnet or not. I have to let's see up here. I don't see that sticking, so maybe it's not magnet. All right, that's not magnet. Too bad. And then over here, oh yeah, this was a magnet right here. So you can see that's a magnetized there. What's over here? Come on. Open this bad boy. Urgh. Okay, so this one here. Okay, so this is the magnet part where I guess you could just use that to mount it. I don't know. Maybe over here. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, mount here. So, boom. Boom, right there. Okay. So you'll want to use that probably with one of this one here. Yeah, right there. See that? Bam. Okay. And then over here, one more. Got this going here. What the hell is this jiggy-majiggy? Look at this. The freak. This is weird looking. How does this work? Put it on your backpack or something? Huh. This slides in right here. I guess you could just put this somewhere to slide in. I don't know. This is weird how this one would work, basically. Then you just mount it right in there. Then, of course, here you got your micro USB cable that goes into your PC right there. Or your charge. It doesn't come with a charging cable. I mean, a charging station. So you have to use your own. You can use your cell phone charger to charge this bad boy up. And then over here, oh, cool. So then we got the Type-C, which I could use it to transfer over to my Android. Micro USB plugs in over there. And then I also got, where did it go? Right over here. Check this out. So this is my FPV mount. It should have a 10% tilt. So I'll use that. I'll be able to slide this little bad boy in there. And which way here? Tilt this way. So I can put it right in there like that. I don't know if this is a cover or what. I don't really know if this comes off or not, to be honest with you guys, because I think it's stuck in there. Okay, so I guess this just goes in here. I don't even know, dude. Like that. Bam. Okay, so that's kind of snug. All right. Yeah. So you just use some little bit of if you got a little tiny Velcro or a zip ties to mount this on your drone, put it on top like that. And that's pretty much it. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's basically the Instago 360. Oh, I think I already turned it on. I think it's already recording me. It is. What's up, dude? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Turn it off. Yep. Okay, it's off now. All right. It has a really good vibration when you press that button there. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's your Insta360 Go, and basically. Been waiting for this little bad boy 2 weeks basically now. Man, it took forever to get this thing. All right. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, my next video should be my, I'm going to probably do a test between the my DJI Spark, because it's 1080p, versus the Insta360 Go. And then after that, I'll put it on my other little FPV drones, and then we'll have some good videos and have some fun after that. All right, until next time, peace out.